Alright guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how we catch the market somewhere here and we book somewhere here, and how we catch again in a downfall and booked here, and how we catch here toward the upside and book the profit, and how exactly catch somewhere here and we close our position. So forget this one. So this is the different method we are applying. So in this video I'll show you by using rubber band man theory exactly how we identify the time to enter exactly in this area. So very interesting trading strategy. Basically we are using support and resistance by using rubber band man theory. So support and resistance may be some swing point, it may be horizontal or it may be diagonal. So let me explain first. So suppose price goes up, pull back, and goes up and pull back. So what we have seen, this is a rejection point. The price are rejecting from this specific level again and again. So we identify that that is a resistance line. So let me draw here. So this is called horizontal resistance line. All right. So another resistance line like goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. So now here I can see price are rejecting from this area, and again price are rejecting from this area. So if I connect this rejection point, this is called the diagonal resistance line. So it may be a zone or it may be a parallel line. So basically what happened, let me tell you here. So price are forming like this candle. Just a minute. Okay. In this area they are forming like this candle. So swing point, and there's some like that, and there's some like that. So it's a very difficult to draw a parallel line. So in this area we have seen like this one, and then like this one, and then like this one. It's a very difficult to draw a line. So it may be somewhere here. Right, it may be somewhere here also, it may be somewhere here also, it may be somewhere here also. So how we identify which line is best? All right, so my knowledge, according to my knowledge, all are best. This also applicable, this also applicable, this also applicable. How? But price are rejecting from this level. This rejecting point we identify by using rubber band man. All right, so I'll explain in a live chart. So here also let me explain. So this is the candle, it's a swing point, and another it's a swing point, and another here is a swing point. Like that they are forming. This line also applicable, and this line also applicable, but this line also applicable. So how identify which is the best line, which is the best line as a resistance or support? So in that case we are using rubber band man, which will be best. Okay, all right, okay, perfect. So let me show you in a live chart. So as I said, we catch the market exactly here and exactly here. We catch the market exactly here and exactly here. So in that case, so let me explain first the rubber bandman. So rubber bandman, let me use some, just a minute. Okay. Okay. So suppose this is the resistance line, and this is the supporting line. So let's say price start running from this area. So here price hit and trying to reverse. So once price trying to reverse, so we are calculating this rubber bandman. All right, so means this rubber bandman start running from point A. So we are counting this is a point. All right, this is the A point. So let's say rubber bandman first starting from A point and run like that. What he has energy he used to run this wave. So once he goes to the level, this rubber bandman, he lost his energy. Now he rest little bit rest. He need some little bit rest. So what he is doing? Now he is taking a rest. So in our chart, what we have seen, this is called pullback. I think you remember. So all are using this word pullback. All right. So after taking his rest, again he start running from this area to this level. So after taking this rest, he ran to this level. So what we have seen, he break this previous record now after taking a rest. Okay. So next, after running this to this level, so let's see, this is the B point. He's starting from A, and the C point he taking a rest, and again he take a run to this D point. Now after running this level, he need what? He need a rest. Okay, so once he's taking a rest, so price is running like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, so now after taking a rest, what he will do? Again he will run like that to this level. All right, so if you not see first when he take a rest, so he run this much. So I'm just calculating an area. So this much. Again, after taking a rest, he start running from this area. So means this area, and run little bit higher. Okay. So after taking a rest, he run little bit lower. So what we have seen, he losing their energy. So after reach that level, again he take a rest and pull back little bit, taking a rest. All right, again start running from this area somewhere here. Sometimes he failed to break this previous high, or sometimes what happened, he just break little bit, he break this previous record. Now this rally may be like that. So he is losing their energy. All right. So when they are appearing this type of pattern, we are looking for short. It might be somewhere here also resistance line. It might be somewhere here also resistance line. As I said, it might be somewhere here, or it might be somewhere here. As I said, all are applicable as a resistance line. It may be, or it may be. So what we are using the rally of this rubber bandman. All right, he pulled back, he ran that one. All right, so finally he lose their entire energy. So once he's lost their energy, so what will be? So he'll break this lower point. So once he die, this rubber bandman, another rubber bandman start from this area. Now we are ready to catch, or we are ready to run with this rubber bandman. All right. So let's say we miss that wave. So next we have to wait. You just stand by. Don't be hurry. Wait. All right. Wait for a pullback. If you see in a smaller time frame, it will be same another rubber bandman. All right, so let me remove this one. So okay, small rubber bandman, what will be? First the rally goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, and fail this small rubber bandman. Alright, so everywhere rubber bandman, don't worry. So we're ready to run with the big rubber bandman. Alright, so once they form bearish candle, so in that case, this may be resistance line. So we'll use bearish candle somewhere there, and we'll hit it, and we'll catch the entire move to this level. That is why we identify the resistance and supporting line by using rubber bandman. So let me show you this technique by using our live chart. Let me show you here. Let me zoom little bit. So okay, so first here you can see, forget this one. All right, so next, forget this one. So we don't know about this one. We have seen this rejection point and the rejection point. Another, this is the higher point, and even we drawn a horizontal line also by using this rejection point. Where is the rejection point? Let me show you. Okay, so suppose we don't know this one. So suppose we don't know this one. Okay, so what we did here, that was price hit and reverse. So forget it. Price hit and reverse as a support, price hit and reverse as a resistance, price hit and reverse. We have seen multiple rejection. We are using first horizontal line. Now let me show you rubber bandman theory. So we don't know about that. So first, this rubber bandman start running from this line. So this is the rubber bandman. Okay, he start running from this area. So first he start from this A point, as I said. You just go back and see what I told. And first you run like that. All right, just a minute. Let me use this one. So from A point to B point, he start running. So let me use at least twice, and let me use color change. Okay, that will be fine. And the next, what he did, taking rest a little bit. Again, he started running from this area. All right. So again, what he did, start running from this area, and again start taking rest from this area, start running to this level, again start running from this level, and start running from this level. So if I use this line, let me show you. First, he used entire energy, this wave, all right, this wave from this point to this point, and taking rest. Next, he start running from this area, use this one energy, and run like that, and again taking rest. And next, after taking rest, start running from this area. Sorry, and he run and break this previous higher point, this one higher point, higher record, and taking rest, this one. Again, he start running but fail to break this previous record. Now you just stand by. All right, stand by. We are looking for short. We enter somewhere here. So I'll explain. All right. Next, again he enter. All right. Next, again he enter. Start running. Just a minute. Start running like that. So he losing their energy again and again. Very here I can see slightly break this level. So here you can see first energy, second start, third attempt, he ran for. So gradually he lose the energy. All right, where exactly he losing their energy? Exactly near a resistance line. All right, resistance line may be somewhere here, maybe somewhere above, as I said. So finally, it dropped. All right, so he drop and break this previous lower point. So where was previous lower point? Somewhere there. And the next, he taking a rest. Now another rubber band man started somewhere here. So we are ready to run with that. And once pullback, if I'm using this H1 chart, but if you not see the small time frame, he lost his energy somewhere here. Like if you not see like a 1 minute or 5 minutes, this really goes like that, full back, goes like that, full back, goes like that. It's losing their energy somewhere here. All right. So once they appear in a small time frame, we exactly hit somewhere there and we catch the market. Why we catch the market? Why we didn't close our position? Why we didn't close position? Why close our position? Let me explain. So in this area, another rubber band man started. So we enter somewhere here. First he run somewhere. We know that he'll take a rest. So where is the rest? This one rest. Again press run and taking a rest. And the next attempt he run, but slightly he break. All right. So we know this rubber man losing their energy, as I said like that. So why this slide is important? It's a rejection point. And the rejection point, we just connected these two swing points, this one and another somewhere there, rejection point, and exactly near this area, these rubber bandmen are losing their energy. So that is why close our position. Again, some another rubber bandman started from this area. So where exactly we entered? Let me explain. So here I can see. Okay. So why we close this position? Let me use this 2 point automatic. Okay, we have to use 4-hour chart. Just please go to 4-hour chart. Okay, let me zoom little bit. Okay, let me connect these two swing points. So first, the previous point, we have seen this is the rejection point, and the rejection point we connected. As I said, we are using diagonal and parallel line. One is parallel, okay, and another diagonal line, we use that one. So let me show you in a small time frame in this area. Let me show you in a 15-minute time frame. Okay. All right. Now see. Okay. So here, one is parallel line and this one diagonal as I connected. So another rubber bandman started from this area. All right. So here. So what we have seen first, let me use this line. First, he run like that, crazy. He have energy. He run like that. All right. So after that, he take a rest. So here you can see entire. So like he ran like 1 hour. He ran 1 hour. It took almost 1 hour means 60 minutes. All right, 60 minutes. All right, and he took 50-minute rest. So after taking a 50-minute rest, what he did? Again, start running like that. Just a minute, like that. But failed to break this previous high, previous his own record. So again, what he did? He took a rest. All right. He's taking rest. All right, he's taking rest. Yeah, I wanna run again. All right. So what he did again, he started running from this area and break nearest record, but failed to break this previous record. So what he did again, took a rest. So after taking a rest, what he did, he ran like a crazy and break this all previous record. All right. So next, what he did again, he took a rest somewhere here, and again start running. Now you can see, sorry, once he reached that supporting line, resistance line, where was the resistance line? We use H4 chart or daily chart. It's forming a diagonal resistance line. So let me show you here his energy. All right. So first energy, use this one. Second energy, use third attempt, fourth attempt, and the fifth attempt. So once he's trying to run, but gradually losing their energy. And finally, he lost his all energy near resistance line, diagonal resistance line, as I said. All right. But in this area, we never enter. Why? Because we don't know. It may, again, after taking a rest, it may break. But when we confirm, so once hit this level and take a rest, means once they break this level in a small time frame, you cannot see, break this level and pull back, taking a rest. So another rubber band man start here, running for the downside. This rubber band man is die. So after reach that level, so when we confirm, once they break this wave, so we confirm that this one die and this one activated now. So after giving a pullback, that was our exactly entry point, and all the way price down. Now question is that this rubber band man still activated or not, or it is die. So let me explain here. So most of the people are doing big mistake. Let me explain here. So let me show you here. First, the rubber band man start running. Next, again after taking a little bit rest. How much is taking? Little bit rest and run like a crazy. Again, taking a rest little bit. All right. And this one rest and run like a crazy. So let me use all of them now. So see, first run, this one, and the second run, this one, and third run, this one. So now you can see three wave, as I said. Now, do you think this rubber band man lost his energy now? No. First run, second run, the third run, all the way he is breaking his own record. Now he have a own faith that if I take a little bit rest, I can run more. Sorry. Now very important thing. So he have a faith that first I run this much and took little bit rest and again run and break this previous record. After that again I took a little bit rest and run and broke this previous record, and now still he have a faith that I have energy, I can run further. All right. So I hope after taking a little bit rest, it may run like that. Now we have to find out where is the supporting line now. Let me show you. So very interesting and this trading strategy. So actually, this is the premium course I'm just giving to you. Okay, let me go to H4. So we have to find out some supporting line, and we will see the energy of the rubber bandman and activity. What exactly he is doing? Is losing his energy or still alive? So first we will use horizontal line. So I'd like to connect most important level, this one. So this is the rejection point, and another rejection point, or rejection point and a rejection point. And another way to use Fibonacci. Let me use the Fibonacci. So I think you people know how to use Fibonacci. So I'd like to connect most important swing point. So let me use this swing point, A point and B point. Okay, exactly here. Have you seen 161 or next is somewhere there? So we'll see the activity in this area. So let me draw another. So as I said, supporting line or resistance line may be anywhere. All right. So as I said, support, it may be a supporting line, it may be a supporting line. As I said first, so that is why we are not identify specific line. So we are using demand and supply area by using rubber bandman activity. So we'll use and we'll see. Let me use 15-minute time frame. Okay, like that. All right. So here I can see now we have seen this is the energy. Run first, take a rest, run, take a rest, and then run and take a rest. So if after taking a little bit rest, if price hit and slightly break again, he if lost his energy entire. So after giving a pullback, will enter here. So means this rubber man will die in this area. So we'll go with another rubber band man. So uh, we'll confirm that this rubber band man active now, alive. He will ready to run like that. All right. So first we have to confirm it is dying or still alive, because we have seen still he have faith, he have energy, he run like a crazy. Every time he's breaking his own record. Now for in this area, if he die, he failed to break his own record again and again, like he's forming this way. So we'll confirm that these environment are die. So we'll start running with this rubber band man, and we'll confirm this one is activated and he's ready to run toward the upside. So I hope you enjoy and you understand how exactly we are identify our best entry point by using rubber bandman theory. So thanks for giving your valuable time. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video.